Today, we're making a soft and fluffy Swiss roll cake. This is a simple basic roll cake recipe made with easy ingredients that you probably already have at home. It's light, delicious, and perfect with jam, honey, or any filling you like. For this recipe, I'm using a baking frame that is 39 centimeters by 29 centimeters and 4.5 centimeters high. Let's start. First, prepare 5 eggs. Separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Place the 5 egg yolks into a mixing bowl. Add 1 gram of salt. Then add 50 grams of sugar. Now mix everything together until the egg yolk mixture becomes light, pale, and foamy. This step is very important because it helps make the cake soft and fluffy. As you mix, the volume will increase and the color will become lighter. When the mixture looks smooth, thick, and foamy, it's ready. Now let's make the meringue. Place the 5 egg whites into a clean bowl. Start whipping the egg whites. Then add 70 grams of sugar in 3 separate parts. Do not add all the sugar at once. Add the first part, mix, then add the second part, mix again, and finally add the last part. The meringue is very important for this recipe because it gives the Swiss roll its soft and airy texture. Keep whipping until the meringue becomes glossy and forms soft peaks. When it looks smooth, shiny, and stable, it's ready. Now bring back the egg yolk and sugar mixture. Add some of the egg yolk mixture. Gently mix them together. Fold gently so the batter stays light and airy. Try not to mix too strongly because we don't want to remove too much air from the batter. Gently fold the batter Next, sift in 90 grams of cake flour and 2 grams of baking powder. Gently fold the batter until you can no longer see the dry powder. Take your time with this step. Mix carefully, but do not overmix. Now prepare 50 grams of milk and 50 grams of vegetable oil. Add a small amount of the cake batter into the milk and oil mixture. Mix until smooth. This makes it easier to combine everything evenly. Then pour this mixture back into the remaining cake batter. Fold everything together gently until the batter is smooth and fully combined. Now the cake batter is ready. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan. Spread it evenly across the pan. Try to make the surface the same height everywhere so the cake bakes evenly. Gently tap the pan on the table a few times. This helps remove large air bubbles from the batter. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. After baking, remove the cake from the pan. Peel off the baking paper immediately. This helps prevent wrinkles on the cake surface. Let the cake cool slightly before rolling. Now trim the edge of the cake diagonally. Then make shallow cuts on the surface about 3 millimeters deep. Do not cut all the way through. These small cuts help the cake roll more easily without cracking. Now apply your filling. You can use fruit jam, honey, or any filling you like. Spread it evenly over the cake. Now carefully start rolling the cake. Pull the paper gently and keep the roll tight as you go. Take your time and roll it slowly. Once rolled, wrap it and keep it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. This helps the roll hold its shape. Today I made this Swiss roll with jam. It turned out soft, fluffy, and really delicious. I hope you try this recipe at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share